French greetings. In this lesson, we would know how to say good day, good evening, how are you, and the likes. So at the end of this lesson, you should be able to construct very simple basic dialogues. You should be able to talk about yourself. So the French greetings. During the day, we say bonjour. Say that, please. Bonjour. Good job. Don't do j, do j. So don't say j, say j. Bonjour. That's good morning and good afternoon. Bonjour. So it's said during the day until 4 o'clock. Yes. And in the evening, we say bonsoir. Bonsoir. Soir. All right? Bonsoir. Good evening. Then we say bonne nuit. Bonne nuit. Good night. Good night. Bye-bye is au revoir. It's spelled au revoir. Okay, but we don't say au revoir like many would say. So if you say that, you need to unlearn au revoir and learn au revoir. Au revoir. You can say it, I know. You're doing well. Au revoir. Great job. How do we say thank you? We say merci. Merci. That's common. A lot of persons know how to say thank you in French. In fact, they usually would say thank you very much. Merci beaucoup. Merci beaucoup. Yes, that's it. Thank you very much. Merci beaucoup. Hello. Salut. Salut also comes when you say bye-bye. So you're done talking with your friend and you say salut. That's bye-bye. It's also hello. All right? Aha, I'll go back to something now. Remember I said bonjour is good day, good morning, good day. Yes, that's because in the afternoon, we don't say something else other than bonjour. But many usually would say it's bon après-midi. Bon après-midi actually means good afternoon. However, good afternoon in this instance is used when you're leaving, when you're saying bye-bye in the afternoon. So you're saying actually, do have a good afternoon. Bon après-midi, and you leave. So remember to always say bonjour from the morning till 4 o'clock. Now let's take some simple, talk about yourself. Good morning or good day, my name is Bola. So I would say bonjour, je m'appelle Bola. Can you try that? Add your name. Bonjour, je m'appelle. Add your name. Remember, don't say jo, say je. Now we're listening to the pronunciation, okay? We're listening to the pronunciation. Aha, you're not seeing the text material, but the pronunciation is what we're listening to. Great, so je m'appelle Bola. Excellent. My silence was waiting for you to keep trying, and it's obvious you're getting it right now. Well done. Je suis Nigérian. Je suis Nigérian. I'm a Nigerian. Yes, I am a Nigerian. Je suis Nigérian. Okay. And if it's a guy, he would say, je suis Nigérian. The lady says Nigérian. The Frenchman respects the male and female gender. And then you want to say, I live in Lagos. J'habite à Lagos. J'habite à Lagos. Try it. Try it. Wonderful. You just got it right. I live in Lagos. J'habite à Lagos. How old are you? You want to say your age. To say the age in French, we don't say I am 20 years old, 30 years old. We say I have 20 years. I have 30 years. So we would say j'ai J'ai 30 ans. I have 30 years. J'ai 30 ans. Like I said, just keep focusing on the pronunciation. And in your books, write it out the way you understand it, the pronunciation. How does it sound? J. Perhaps you want to write J-A-Y. Although the real spelling is J with an apostrophe and A-I. J with an apostrophe, A-I. Alright? So, but write it the way it sounds to you as we're talking. Because our focus is on the oral aspect for now. Okay, so j'ai 30 ans. Je parle anglais. I speak English. Je parle anglais. I speak English. But now you're adding another cap to it. Je parle français. I speak French. Je parle français. I speak French. Je viens du Nigeria. Je viens du Nigeria. I come from Nigeria. So it's either I say je suis Nigérian, I am a Nigerian, or I come from Nigeria, je viens du Nigeria. So whatever country you come from, just say je viens and put the country there. With these few phrases, I'm sure you could make up a presentation about yourself, a basic presentation about yourself. For example, I would say, bonjour, je m'appelle Bola, j'ai 30 ans, je parle anglais et français. Je suis nigérien. J'habite à Lagos. Enchanté. That's nice to meet you. And when you're done making a presentation of yourself, I would like you to get someone else and you tell the person about yourself and encourage the person to do the same. Talk about yourself in French. In our next lesson, we would give you the phrases, the question words you should use, the questions you will be asking to know about the other person. Did you enjoy today's lessons? I did. And because I did, I would say merci beaucoup and see you in the next class. Au revoir.